In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage access to a shared folder in Dropbox. Whether you're organizing personal projects or collaborating with colleagues, knowing how to control who sees and edits your files is crucial. So, let's dive right in and make sure your shared folders are exactly how you want them to be. First, you'll want to head over to Dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your files and folders. From here, it's easy to locate the shared folder that you want to manage. All you need to do is hover your mouse over the folder in question, and you'll notice a few options appear. Click on the option marked with 3 dots, which signifies More Options, and then choose Manage Access. Sometimes you might see Share first and then Manage Access, so keep an eye out for that slight variation. Now that you're on the Manage Access page, you'll see a list of all the people or groups who currently have access to your shared folder. It's here where you can begin to adjust their permissions. You'll see a drop-down menu next to each person's name, allowing you to change their access rights. For instance, if someone currently has permission to edit, but you only want them to view, it's as simple as selecting the Can View option from the drop-down menu. This is a great way to ensure that only the right people have the level of access you're comfortable providing. If you decide that someone should no longer have access to the folder at all, you have the option to remove them entirely. Just find their name on the list, click Remove, and they'll no longer have access to your shared content. This is particularly useful if a project has concluded, or if someone no longer needs to be part of the shared information. Now, if you've been sharing your folder via a link and want to restrict who can use it, there's an additional step you can take. Begin by clicking on the link settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Here, you have the option to change who can access the link, switching it from anyone with the link to only people invited. This setting gives you more control over who can see and interact with your shared files. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough walkthrough on managing access to your shared folders in Dropbox. Taking a little time to properly set permissions and access can save you from potential headaches down the line. As always, ensuring your files are shared securely and with the right audience is a key step in your digital organization and collaboration efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!